I want to work on this another day here. You should have your number line and then this packet here. Okay, identify the number that has the larger value. You have two numbers, you got to tell which one's bigger. Okay, on your number line, I want you to put larger right there. L-A-R-G-E-R. L-A-R. The further this way, the larger it is. Okay, so we have -3 and 6. If it's 6 doesn't have a sign, it's automatically a positive. Okay, and also the positives are here. Maybe go on your number line, put plus, 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 because these are positives. That might help. And then these are negatives. Okay, so it's positives that way. If you want to put that, that's fine. Now, find the two numbers. -3 and 6. So here's -3 and here's 6. Which one of those numbers is further to this orange, closer to this orange calculator? Okay, closest to this orange calculator. Here's -3, here's 6, +6. +6 closer to that orange calculator. Okay, so you circle that. Now 5 and 2, if they don't have signs, they're automatically both positive. So +2, +5. What's closer to the orange calculator? +5 is closer. Okay, so there's my bigger number. Okay, -8, -3. Now they're both negatives, so here's -8 right there. Here's -3. What's closer to the orange calculator? -8, -3. I think -3 is closer, so -3 is the larger value. Now, -4, +7. Okay. So here's -4, here's +7. What's closer to the orange calculator? +7. Okay. Positives are always bigger than negatives, okay, because positives are always closer. Now, +5, -7, okay. So here's +5, here's -7. What's closer to the orange calculator? +5, okay. +5's closer, because +5's here. -7's here, so if I set that calculator there, it's bigger. Okay, -3, -4, so those are right together. Remember, circle 0 in the middle might help. 0 separates the positives from the negatives. So -3, -4. So this is -3, this is -4. What's closer to the orange calculator? -3 is closer, okay? Because again, the larger numbers go this way. So that's the first part. Here's the second part. Place the appropriate symbol between the two numbers. So here's what you need to do. You have -6 and 3. Find those two numbers. Here's and by the way, that means +3. So -6, +3. +3 is closer to the orange calculator, so I marked that with an arrow, please. The symbol needs to open up to that number. So open it up, and there you go. Okay. -7, -4. Both of them are negatives. So here's where this is 0. This is the negative side. So you have -4 here, -7 here. -4 is closest to the orange calculator, okay? So if I set my orange calculator there, -4 is closer than -7 is. So -4 is the higher number. The sign has to open to that number. Because the sign has a closed end and an open end, the open part has to go towards the larger number. Then I have -4 and +8. So here's -4 and here's +8. I think +8's a lot closer to that side. So again, the sign has to open to the positive 8. Negative 3, negative 1, okay? So they're both on the, here's 0, negatives on this side, positives on this side. So here's negative 1, here's negative 3. Negative 1 is closer to the orange calculator, okay? So open the sign. So far, the sign, it's not always going that way, but. Okay, 6 and negative 3. That means positive 6 and negative 3. So here's positive 6, here's negative 3. So positive 6 is closer to the orange calculator than negative 3 is, okay? So positive 6, you open towards that. Okay, 10 and 5. Positive 10, positive 5. They're both positive, so positive 10 is right there. Positive 5 is right there. Positive 10 is closer to the orange calculator. Okay. Remember, the closer it is on this side to the right, to the orange calculator, that's a bigger number. Okay, negative 4, negative 10, both negatives. So they're both on the negative side. See, negative 4, negative 10. Here's the orange calculator. Negative 4, negative 10. So negative 4 is closer to the orange calculator. So it eats negative 4. Then positive 7 and negative 3. So positive 7's here, negative 3's here. Positive 7 is always closer to the orange calculator, so the sign opens to the positive 7. Okay, now on the last part, X. X is a letter. It represents a bunch of different numbers. I got to know what direction it goes. So, it starts at negative 2. You make a circle above negative 2. Now, does it open towards the X or does it open towards the number? It's open towards the X. Open to X. Opening it to X means it goes to the right. Okay? Means it's all numbers this way. Negative 1, 0, 1. Okay? And just put X up there. Okay? 8 and X. What's it open to? It's open to the 8. It's open to the number this time, so that means it goes this way. So 8's bigger than anything. The X, yep, so it's open to the number. Actually, I totally screwed that problem up. Just forget that one. Forget that. Ditch that. I put your number line wrong. I'm an idiot. Okay. Don't forget that problem. If you're confused, don't worry about that. The top one's important. This one's screwed up. Okay, X and negative 3. So circle above your negative 3. There's negative 3. My writing's not the greatest. It's open to the negative 3. So when it's open to the number, it goes this way. Okay. Negative 3 and X, and put X up there, I'm sorry. Is it open to the X or open to the negative 3? It's open to the X. So we go negative 3. So since it's open to the X, it goes this way. Okay, means it's all numbers this way. Okay, forget that second one. I put your number line, doesn't make any sense there.